First, you want to go to Prezi.com. Once that screen loads, you're going to go click on Sign Up. You're going to go to Public, which is the free version, and you're going to put in your name, email, create a password. Click I understand, and then click Register and Continue. Next, we're going to click on New Prezi, and we're going to give it a title of Marketing Research. You'll also put your name of your company here. You're going to type a description. My market research project conducted for, it would be your company, and then you're going to put November 2011, and then we're going to click New Prezi. Next, you get to create a theme. Alright, you can do a blank one, or you can do understanding a topic. At this page, you can do in a project or a message, but I'm just going to pick a project, and then I'm going to click Preview. And I like this one. So now we have to start editing. Okay, now this already has a template in it, so we're going to click Start. Now you can learn to use Prezis with this little presentation. It actually has you work on stuff. So you can drag the background, and I can move things over. Next, we can zoom in by using this little plus button. Alright, now we know how to navigate in a Prezi. So we can go next. Alright. So what you need to do is walk through all the rest of the tutorial. Alright. Now that you're done with the tutorial, you can play around here. So if we zoom, alright, next we're going to insert some text, and to do that you just double click in the background. So now we're going to start with our SWOT analysis. So we're going to look at our SWOT, alright, and then we're going to put our company. Now we're going to hit OK. Now if I want to make it bigger, I can click on it, and I can click the plus sign, and it makes it bigger. If I want it to rotate, I just spin it around. Okay, again, this you should have done in the tutorial. So now I have our SWOT. So now we want to insert the actual SWOT that we created. In order to do this, remember you need to save and change your PowerPoint. So we're going to open our SWOT in your PowerPoint, and I'm going to go File, and we're going to do something a little bit different. I know I had said to do a PDF before. Now we're going to do it a little bit different and save it as a JPEG. We're going to click Save and Send. We're going to click on Change File Type, and then click on JPEG. Then we're going to click Save. And now it's giving me the option to save it as a JPEG format. So yes, just this current slide, and now we've saved that. So now I can go back into my Prezi, and we can go Insert an Image, and we're going to select a file. And here is our SWOT JPEG file. We're going to click Open, and they automatically convert it for us. Now what I want to do is make this a little bit bigger, so I'm going to click the plus sign, and we have the SWOT of our company. Alright, so based on that, if you look at your rubric, the next thing is to develop a clear objective. So again, we're going to click some text. We're just going to move over here, and again I can just click my mouse and move wherever I want. So now we have a survey objective, and mine happened to be improve customer service. Some of yours might be come up with new products, and I'm going to change this because I want to be cool. We're going to make it a title, and again I want to make the color a little bit. We're going to make it pink. Maybe we'll make it pink. In order to do that, you have to highlight the whole thing. Then we're going to change the color, and we'll make it pink. Alright. Again, I click off. I can click the plus button to make it a little bit bigger. But we have our survey objective is to improve customer service. Now we're going to have to explain a little bit why we decided that. So if I double click on it, I can hit enter, and we can type some more information. Again, now I can change this to a different font, alright, from the headline. In this new font, we're going to say why we designed this objective. Based upon the SWOT analysis, we decided dot, 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 and you continue that. All right, so now we have our survey objective. We also probably want to put in some survey results. So we're going to do another text, and we're going to go survey results. Now the best for those of you who did SurveyMonkey is to put a copy of that picture in here. So we also want to put some charts. So I'm going to put a chart in here, and again I'm going to do an image, and I've created chart 1. While we're waiting, we have this chart. Now take a look. I don't like that. If I click on it, make it a little bigger, I still have this huge screen. And in order to get that chart, remember I printed it as a PDF from Excel. So in here, I can edit this by clicking the button, and I can crop the corners down. And we can get rid of all that extra white space. And if I hit enter, now I have something that looks a little better. I would still say let's crop this out of there. We don't really need that. Alright, now I have a survey. Below each chart, I also need to have what it means. So we're going to click in here, and I'm going to say we found out that customer loyalty is really important. Our customers shop at our store because they are routine customers. It's important that we keep them happy. What I would like to see in each one of these from you is a sentence on what this means and a sentence on what this means for the business. So what does this chart show? So tell me what the chart shows, and then tell me what this means for our business. The next thing to work on your Prezi is to click on the path, and you want to tell it where to go and to zoom in. So the first thing in our case is the SWOT analysis. Then we're going to go there. Then we're going to go with survey objective. Then we're going to go our customer loyalty and what that actually means. When I hit done, I can click on the show, and now I can click play. I can take my Prezi through all the elements of my presentation. Now I have my SWOT. Now I come over and we look at our survey objective, and we can start to look at our results and see what they mean here. Alright, so this is your little tutorial on how to create your Prezi and what I'm looking for. Make sure you follow the rubric, have all the components in your Prezi, and make me something really cool.